Good morning, myself Piyali Burmon, a student of University BT and Evening College from first semester B.Ed section. My presentation topic is function of language. Then is my presentation contents. For them, first of all, introduction, function of language and conclusion. An introduction, we first see what is language. Language is the ability to produce and comprehend both spoken and written words. Understanding how language works means reaching across many branches of psychology, everything from basic neurological functioning to high-level cognitive processing. Language shapes our social interaction and brings order to our lives. Complex language is one of the defining factors that mark us humans. Next, function of language. First of all, informative function. The main purpose of language is to communicate information. Informative language can be looked at as thought it is either right or wrong or true or false. Some have written that informative language is both believable and valuable language. Here's an example. Language is used to offer opinions, give advice, make announcements, lecture, report news. Next, expressive function. Expressive language helps us communicate a mood or a feeling. Typically, it shows a communication, reader or writer, if somebody is happy or sad, glad or mad. Next, directive language. This one gets a little more complex, but it essentially is a way to get a response from somebody that we are communicating with in a typical conversation. Examples of this type of language include shut off the light. Next, interpretative function. The major function of language is to help the organism to interpret and organize cognitive experiences and position them in one's cognitive world. Next, functions of remembering and thinking. Language helps us to encode experience and translate them into thought, store them and engage in process of different types. Next, social function. The way use language to communicate with others in the social setting and developing a sense of social identity. Then is my conclusion. Language play in a very important role in human life. Therefore, it is impossible to think of any place or situation in life where one can function without the help of language. Thank you.